I've definitely seen vitamins in my life and not in my life and how they make me a better me. The examples that I gave before might be a little bit extreme, but they definitely empower me to be able to do the things that I do day to day. Nature Made is a vitamin product that I use, and I've definitely seen how they can make me a better me, supplement my nutrition, and help me day to day.